problem is computing factorials. We know what is the factorial, we all know that, and we are using Python to generate a code that when we put a number in that code we get the factorial of the given number. And for this we are using user defined functions, and that is the code looks like this: def function of n, the number we want to find the factorial. And we start with some f is equal to 1, because since 0 factorial is 1, we have to start like this. And for k in the range 1 to n plus 1, that is it will be 1 to up to 1 to etc up to n, it will not count n plus 1. And f will be f into k, this is will be the output. And yeah, we have to return f. This is the return f. This is how the factorial looks like, factorial code looks like. And we have to find factorial of 0. We know the answer, that has to be 1. And the factorial of, let's say, 5, yeah, that is 120. Now let's look some alternative method for computing the same factorial. And for this we have using NumPy arrays. First of all, we have to import NumPy, and I'm importing NumPy as NP. And then we have to define the function that the factorial of n is the number we want to find the factorial. Yeah. And yeah, you have to define, so let's say f is equal to 1, starting with 1, same procedure. And f is equal to np dot, that is the product. Yeah, let's say some x is equal to np dot a range. Yeah, we have defining an x like this: np dot a range 1 to n plus 1, that contain 1 2 etc up to n. And then we have to define f, that is np dot product of that x, that is np dot a range 1 n plus 1, that is the factorial. Yeah, and you have to return this f function. Yeah, this is the code for alternative code for factorial. And we have finding, let's say, factorial of 0. Yeah, that's 1. And the similar factorial of, let's say, 5. Yeah, 120. And yeah,